Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young.
If we'll give a few minutes, 5 to 10 minutes for the quick washroom break para po sa ating talk back.
And then dahil sa pagmamahal mo, minsan talagang masasway ka at mapapaniwala ka. So bilang babae, I think it's very important to trust your gut and find a love that feels safe.
Correct. Yun yung nagising sa pagtulog eh. Tapos parang, ito pala pa. Diba?
And I just want to say thank you to my family, Tatay, Jordan, Mavi, Kanji. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you. I appreciate you guys. It means a lot. Na nandito kayo. Thank you so much for your support. Kasi syempre parang bumabalik ako sa pinanggalingan ko. So thank you so much for being here. And thank you everyone for being here. Nasabi na po nilang lahat yung aming mga dyan sa Tatay friends. Thank you. Nasabi na po nilang lahat. Copy-paste na lang po ako. Thank you po.
Here you go. Our blockbuster.
Please help us spread the word. Thank you so much to everyone.
Alright, palakpakan naman po natin ang cast ng The Loyalty. We would like to invite the candidate to have another quick photo op with Jericho, Jimmy, and Derek Hayes, who takes them to for another photo op.